All right guys, so a lot of people don't know that you can use the ladder for drills with your arms too. Everybody associates it with like track and basketball and football, but you know what? It's actually really good for upper body movements and core. So if you follow along with this tutorial, we're gonna go through the bear crawl. All right, the bear crawl is a pretty complicated movement when it comes to working inside of the ladder, but it's one that's easy to get if you go through a nice slow progression. So I'm gonna face towards you so you can kind of get this. But what you're trying to do here is you're gonna move forward with your hands inside of the box and move out. All you're doing is moving your feet and your hands to kind of give you that movement. You can see I'm sliding around here, but it's a great core workout because with the lack of grip here, my core is having to work. I'm trying to use my core muscles to stabilize the whole time I'm moving. And because it's full body, I'm out of breath. So that's exactly what we're going for. Again, just moving into the boxes, moving out. Keep the feet moving the whole time. That's the basics.